how to be focused in studies. Like how any person who is studying or who is a student, so how can he be focused in his studies?
Okay, so thank you so much, and it's a really good question. I'm going to give the, I think, answer about it. So yeah, firstly, if you would like to be focused in your studies, so you should be really purposeful firstly, because if you have the target and just you can select your target, whatever you would like to achieve, and after that you can make your scheduling of the day like that towards and related to your target, like that if you are choosing really great target like 90 to 95%, if you would like to get in your class, so you have to be really concerned and you can make a really good schedule in 24 hours. And after that, I think it's depend on you how much you, I think, how you are getting your motivation and from which kind of things. If you are getting motivation to talk with any ideal person of yours, and you can talk with them and just you can take guide like that, how can you be really stay focused. And this is the good way to study like that. At the same, when you are studying, you can make a really good, I can say that, notes for that. And you should be organized if you would like to focus and you would like to achieve really good answers with your study. So at that time, and if you are going to note the things and just you are reading something and just you are, I think, noting down in the notebook, so it's really fantastic, and you are changing the, that kind of temporary memory to your like permanent memory, because it's really important. If you are channeling the
Mhm.
things to the permanent memory, you are going to save a lot of things and for the long period of time. And it's very great. And actually, so and for this kind of things, you can be like that focused about your study, and you should be concerned about every day. I like that after a night you can, I can say that whenever you are just I think, investing your time in a study, so in the evening time you can also do the introspection, I think, in the way where I'm going. So it's really, I think, according to my goal and according to my target, whatever I'm doing, so it's right. And
Mhm.
after that you can also just write something in the journal as well, journal book, and after that you can be really constant and really focused about your study, whatever you are doing. So it's my really answer about it. Thank you so much.